Hey, welcome to Bikes, Boats, and Bivouacs. You're at Cowanesque Lake on the New York border in northern Tioga County. Gonna see what we can find. Here you see we do have the ram pulling the bay shark, and let me pan over here and you can see the rams. So here is the boat ramp. It's got a good angle to get your boat off of the trailer, and at the end of the concrete pier is a floating dock, which makes it really easy. And there is an access to go in halfway down the ramp, so you can launch your boat here by yourself. Over here we see the colonel pointing out the used fishing line receptacle, and of course that will keep animals and birds and fish alive by not strangling them if it's not properly disposed of. Any words of wisdom, Colonel?
Well, I can tell you, I worked as a volunteer at Valley Forge, and at one time at a birdhouse, found a young bird hanging by its fly line out of the birdhouse.
So
dispose of it properly.
And we see at all the Corps of Engineer lakes, I've seen these at every single one of them that I've been to. So they're doing a good job at protecting the wildlife. The Colonel out on Cowanesque Lake, giving the old spinning rod a try. What do you think of this lake, Pop?
Pretty nice. Good crisp day too.
It's a little chilly. And you can see the leaves are changing their colors as we fish in Tioga County, just about in New York, right on the New York border. This is Cowanesque Lake, Tioga County. A beautiful spot. Good. All right, Colonel, you've been fishing Cowanesque Lake. Let's see what you got there. Hold that up a little higher.
It's a monster.
But you weren't skunked.
That's right, I wasn't skunked.
And your hands are smelly.
Yeah.
Living the dream here at Cowanesque Lake in Tioga County. So on the last cast of the day, Colonel Bob comes up with a Cowanesque Lake bass. There she is, pretty. She's gonna get a little bigger. So what do you think about fishing the Cowanesque Lake, Pop?
Not bad, not bad. I think this is the first bass I've caught in a couple of years.
So there you go.
I wouldn't exactly say it's a monster, but every fish is a trophy.
There we go. And we now know Cowanesque Lake has bass in it that we can catch. Okay, Colonel, I see we made it back to the dock. What do you think about fishing off that little bay shark 2, that PolarKraft 14-footer?
It's a good time, great weather, fun trip.
Little chilly.
A little chilly.
Yeah, started out at 39 degrees today, but warmed up into the mid-50s.
Oh man, are we warm.
2,000 feet above sea level, it's a little cooler than down there in Key West.
About 2 months from now, it's not going to be like this.
Right. Yeah.
Nice and white.
Yeah, we could fish on top of the water.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, let's get her on the trailer.
Gotcha.
Now they do have pit toilets at the west boat ramp. The east ramp is right next door, so you could walk over. But these are at the west boat ramp for Cowanesque Lake. And they are pit toilets. And they do warn you that they're not cleaned every day. But it's a basic pit toilet. They do have a urinal, a couple stalls, and hi, Pop! And they do have hand sanitizer right there on the wall, but no running water in the pit toilets.
And no lights.
And no lights.
Came in here at night,
You're in trouble.
Flashlight.
About 10 minutes south of Cowanesque Lake are the Tioga Lake or Tioga Reservoir and Hammond Lake. So the lake closest to us is the Tioga Reservoir, and you can fish and kayak in there. And if you look on the right hand side behind the ridge, that's Hammond Lake, and you can fish in that lake also. There are hybrid stripers in there. So there are 3 main lakes that you can fish up in this area. You'll need some time to get all of them done. But it gives you a couple more options in addition to the other lakes that are, you're not allowed to have gas powered motors on there. You can use electric or throw your kayaks on there. So it just gives you some options if you're up fishing in this area in addition to Cowanesque Lake. Our first night here at Three Rings Camp. So here's our first meal. A nice steak, baked beans, and corn on the cob. Colonel, what do you think about that?
That's great. I mean, we're in the boondocks.
But we're eating good.
We're eating good.
All right.
Eating good in the countryside.
An end of the night fire at Three Rings Camp in the fall. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to the channel. It's free. It helps me out a lot. Also, ring that bell. You'll be notified every time I put up a new video. And give the video a thumbs up. That helps too. But more important than all that, go have some fun out there. Thanks for watching.